Hey, good morning South Africans. Ngibingelele esizweni samaZulu sizakithi. Sizondwa nxa zonke, and then ngibingelele for this video ngibingelele kwisizwe noma kwizizwe zamaXhosa. And then ngifuna just to highlight a quick point kulokhu kwase koloni kokuthi umuntu waseNigeria ezobekwa njengenkosi ezweni lamakhosi amaXhosa, and kuthiwa leyo area yamaHahabe. Kwakuneyinkosi yamaHahabe nje engangithanda, ngangizwa igama layo nje lalinesigqi. I think kwakunkosi Maxhoba yakhawuleza Sandile. I think kusemhlabeni wabo ngoba angithi khathi ngifunda ngiyarealize amaHahabe indawo leyo kwenzeke leso senzo okuyi-treason, isenzo sokubeka inkosi enye ezweni lenye inkosi, treason, and it is punishable by death. Kusuke kuwukuvukela kwalowo mbuso, kusuke kuyi-invasion le eyiyona vele, because abantu baseNigeria even nabaseZimbabwe abezelanga anything else but ukuzosithathela izwe nokusireplace ezweni lethu, okukhandwe ngamabomu abelungu be-DA, because i-open borders is facilitated by white liberals. Yebo, sizobona i-ANC kakhulu because they are the government, but remember the ANC are dummies, so most yama-policies abawakhanda even nga-1994 ayi-informwa kakhulu ama-white professors abo, be they white socialists, white liberals. Those are the people kuyibona kahle who were behind a lot of ANC rhetoric, what therefore mentality. Yingakho mawubheke ANC from day one as UDF, it attacked black culture and Christian values, because the ANC was never now representing black South Africans. Makukuthi ANC yayi-representa black South Africans, I don't know how many years long ago that was, but mina ebufaneni bami ngimncane la eSoweto, i-ANC yalwa nama-black South Africans, especially laba aba-top aba-best, yalwa hhayi nabelungu, cha zange ilwe nabelungu, yalwa nama-black South Africans. So I've never seen the ANC as representative of black South African quests, hence even nokuzilwela as Africa sazilwela as black South Africans, not the ANC. So they got packaged by white liberal media and black socialist and socialist media as though liberators of the country, but we were alone here liberating ourselves whilst they were hiding in exile. All right. So, and iy'ngane zabo zifunda in top schools overseas, USA, the so-called imperialist country, London, United Kingdom, so-called imperialist countries. They were not in USSR, China and them. So they've been sellouts throughout. I mean, I understand because they have been sellouts through and through, and the leading black South African nations in this selloutcy has always been the Xhosa people, and then followed by Limpopo folk. And then whilst they were selling out the country, they were diverting attention to the predominantly Zulu IFP of that day, because they showed us the IFP as those sellouts, whilst Sebuthelezi was saying negotiations between blacks and whites, and they made that to appear as selloutsy, whereas exactly at that time they were, as the ANC, having negotiations with white capital unbeknownst to ANC people, because mawubuka history manje esiveziwe ukuthi o-white capital bahamba bayomita abaholi be-ANC in-exile ngamiphi iminyaka. Ile minyaka i-ANC mos eyayithi abantu attack Inkatha stroke Zulus because they are sellouts. So whilst they were saying that, it is they as the ANC who were selling out. So it was a diversion of attention. If I'm not target kwasesowethu la umuntu othakathayo istrategy sala bathi le yandlu iyathakatha. Yabo wena ufocus kule yandlu ongazamboni lokutshela ukuthi uyena mthakathi omkhulu kunaleyo ndlu. That's how they work, and it seems a Limpopo strategy. So it's spirits which come from those areas, and then etc etc. Ngiyazi ngikhuluma ngezinto eziningi ngesikhathi esiyi-1, so but bengithi mina it's treason, it's punishable by death to do that. And then secondly ngicela ukumkhombisa amakhosi awe-ANC, because you guys basekoloni, I still don't understand which type of king can even be ANC, because ANC was fighting or fought against traditional leadership from day one. It's the IFP. I'm not IFP. I used to be back in the day. It is the IFP which fought for traditional authority in this country against what the DA and the ANC wanted to do. So much that the IFP almost did not participate in 1994 elections. So much that the Zulus were massacred at Shell House and many other things. Whilst your nations were not sacrificing, instead were fighting for the ANC that was attacking your very cultures. Your very cultures. The ANC has attacked Xhosa cultures, has attacked Zulu cultures, has attacked Christian values, left, right, and center, assisted by the PFP stroke DP stroke DA. Through and through. Whether you're watching TV debates whatsoever, it was always the ANC attacking local black culture. And it can stem from what Winnie Mandela said at Kahlehlela Stadium, because that issue was very serious. Oliver Tambo identified male what? Babies and male. I can't recall, but ile system yokuthi umuntu wesilisa wenziwe the head, which is a god system really. So khona igama liyangibalekela wathi Oliver Tambo the greatest or a hindrance to the ANC's course in South Africa, yilo male what, yabona. Hence they came up with those policies of minimizing what a man is supposed to be it by 50-50 realignments through their policy, and say a man is equal to a woman in a household. That's an affront before God and before your cultures. So now we saw you supporting all the trash. So now by the time you are here, where amakhosi enu edelelwa ngama-foreigner, aba-foreigner lithiwe i-ANC, expressly destroy local traditions and cultures, to destroy the traditions and the identities of local nations. They were brought by the ANC as the government, but the whole setup is the DA, is the white colonialists who are behind this. Not even Bure, especially the conservative Bure. For this, don't blame conservative Bure. It is white liberals and white socialists orchestrating the whole system, including Jewish DA owners. All right. So now, kule yoke point bese ubheka uRamaphosa. Bazalwane, do you understand ukuthi yini inkosi? Mina ngi-understand. Mhlawumbe you guys don't understand what a king is. Do you understand the undermining and shame of a king, our king, having to march the streets? Do you understand? And then on top of that, ubuka amakhosi awamaXhosa emasha emigaqweni yase-East London, ziphi izizwe zawo. Mawubheka laphana, they are flanked by Zulu warriors. Where are Xhosas? Xhosa last year are proud culture. The only seemingly the only culture laphayana which they are proud of eyamapipi entabeni. Because what else are they proud of? What else do they defend as their Xhosa people? Because it's always Xhosa women selling out, even eThekwini, ngine property eThekwini, even naseThekwini. Ngiyabuza lapha eflatini because ngiyabona kugcwala amazayizayi bathi hayi, there's a Xhosa woman employed by the white guy who owned most of those flats in that area, and then she is the one who's prioritizing foreigners. Singakafiki kulawo maXhosa ase-Eddington hospital nase-Eddington primary, Xhosas, even in the land of Zulus. You will never see a Zulu selling umhlaba wamaXhosa. But there are Xhosas all over KZN selling the land of Zulus to foreigners. Hayi bazalwane. No. I-culture yenu can't be about ukusika amapipi entabeni kuphela. Abafethu. Ake nibe ngamadoda. How are your kings marching alone? What shame do you have as people that your whole king is marching the streets? You are supposed to be embarrassed. Fuze kugijima wena kuqala. Abe amaXhosa amaKrestu. How do you even allow your kings to be marching alone? Umkrestu ke wena. The Bible said, honor your kings, or rather your leaders. You honor the leaders that you voted for. They are not God ordained, those ones. The God system of leadership is kingdoms. You have no honor for your own kings. That is why ama-Igbo enza la dodi ezweni lenu. That is why ama-foreigner ekhanasela, because you have no respect for your kings. Your kings are marching the streets. Where is your shame as Xhosa people? Nilunguze ngamafasitela ngisha amavidiyo amaZulu afikile. Your kings are marching the streets. You are supposed to be marching in front of them. These are the identity of your being before God. Your kings are marching. Nasivideorize emafletini. You are not a nation then. By your own decisions, you are making yourselves to go extinct. And you've got nobody to blame except your Xhosa selves. Your kings are marching. You've got a nerve to allow that. God is watching. So when you decide to wipe yourselves out, because that is what you're doing, you can't blame God, because it seems the only nation here which is fighting is the Zulu nation, and you're not seeing our kings marching the streets. Hayi suka amaXhosa ke nibe abantu kanti anisiba abantu yini. You don't come from Bantu culture. What culture do you have kanti nina? Nafana nabantu baseZimbabwe in almost everything. So sitshelwa omunye umama lo those celebrities bamaXhosa ukuthi bona as Xhosas they are not violent, like angithi it's a reference to Zulu people ukuthi thina as violent and etc. Sorry ma, yazini iCOSATU yababulala abantu bakwaZulu, yababulala abantu baseSoweto, yababulala ibe ilidwa amaXhosa namavenda. COSATU killed many people. The ANC violence strategy was led by Xhosa people. So seningcwele nina. Violence njengamaZulu. Oh really? Okay. So sikuliwa nesihlava sokuinstalla kwesengafanele install ezweni. Your priority is to make comparison of betterness. Angithi vele ningcono kunathi, nibahle kunathi, thina sibambi, nimhlophe nina, thina simnyama. Angithi those are things that we come from in terms of relations between Zulus and Xhosa. AmaXhosa kudala aqala ukatheka amaZulu, even naseyidimeleni za ezithola amaXhosa aqhamuke ey'nkomponini kwale sitimela sidlula in areas which are predominantly Zulu. Xhosa notoriety in terms of disrespect and arrogance against Zulu people is very old. Nize nisidelele ngamapipi ethu ukuthi we asisikile, therefore siyamakhwenkwe. But even there, There are Zulu people helping you, just like most of you are employed in Durban and South Coast and South KZN as Xhosa people after destroying your own Eastern Cape. Zulus still allow you to stay in their land, and your ladies are selling our land to foreigners in KwaZulu. Bese ngisasitshela ukuthi ni peaceful nina. Your kings are marching the streets. Be shamed. Mina mangabe what exactly pride do we have as Xhosa? Because kwaleyo ANC ayizangifonyo yini, it's the Zulu concept. Nina nadayisa concept to white colonialists through your Methodist churches, because yini enisonta kula masonta we-colonialism. Zulus come from independent churches. Yini abadayisi. Yini enavumela abelungu ukuthi bangene kwi-SANNC bayisuse kwi-vision that the Zulu founders had for the unity of Black South Africans. Only Zulus have ever led in trying to unite Black South Africans, not you. Kaze nina you are dividers. You divided Musa labantu kuthiwa amabhaca nani abantu ababaleka ukubaleka esizweni ukusi-divider. You are formed by dividers, same as abantu baseLimpopo, same as abantu bako-Zimbabwe. Those are the last people that can tell us about unity. Even now, the time uBhambata elwa against the evil system of white people, kuphi abantu abalungile basekoloni nawo waseLimpopo to fight against that evil system yokuthi sibhadale i-poll tax to be reduced to nobody's in your land. Nilwe nabani nina kahle since 1900 to free this land, because so far nilwa namaZulu. So, Zulus have come and assisted your kings. It is supposed to be shameful before Xhosa men, but ke kusho ukuthi ubuXhosa okuya nje entabeni uyosika ujwabu. No problem. If that is what ubuXhosa is, then let me respect that, because anginiboni in anything else. I wish you had self-respect, because no self-respecting nation would be ruled by Nigerians in their land at all. So, now okugcina ilokho ukuthi uma umuntu eyinkosi, the correct leader to even receive the izikhalo zenkosi yesizwe upresident kuphela. So look at how Ramaphosa and his white liberals and his ANC of Xhosas and vendors is doing. He's sending not even uMayor Jesu wedolobha. Oh, but send uMayor. Ngathi angibona kahle. Okay, I stand to be corrected. But the right person to receive izikhalo zamakhosi uPresident Ramaphosa kuphela. He's the one who's supposed to come out and receive izikhalo zamakhosi. The very setting yokuthi our kings were made by white liberals of Europe, and they are black puppets from foreign countries outside South Africa who make up the ANC today, even the EFF and the D8SAF, and also black sellout nations like the Xhosa Venda and all, that you have allowed our kings to be under a president is called puppetry. There is no king on earth who's under a president. In the land of kings, there is no president. Only the IFP of old, not today's IFP, fought against that. Yeah, nina loku nisibiza ngama-tribalists. Njalo you find ways to destroy the constructive intents of the Zulu people and call us all the labels. But sekuwenzekile nasibiza ngawo wonke ama-label. Ninani? Aninamhlaba, aninamsebenzi, aninamabhizinisi, analutho. So your glory is name calling. What do you have? Izwe leli nithathwe abelungu amaNdiya, amaShayina, amaNigeria nanani, nibhizi ngokusibiza ngamagama. Is that what your existence is all about? Then you are losers. Try and solve that. Again, nibe ama-winner, because thus far you've got a history of being losers. Try being heroes. Stop being sellouts like Nongqawu says. Because that is your reflection so far. Lucas Mamngope did not mince words against you, and he was telling the truth. You are Nongqawuses. That's exactly what you are. Stop it. Again, nipe abantu in South Africa and rebuild yourselves as Xhosa people first and chase out those foreigners who have made you boys in your own land. Yini, it's your responsibility. Yekela ukudayisana ne-South Africa. Khuze nalabo sisi benu nama-Nigeria abo. Thank you.